Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Udwato Singh. In case you are seeing my channel for the first time, and you're welcome. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to make the structured sleeve or structured cape, however you call it. So we are going to be using this crepe fabric. I used not up to one yard from it. Then I used this thickest gum stay. We'll also be needing this Regiline boning that you can sew on, and then I used stay as well. So the first thing you would do is to measure where the cape will be staying. So I went to measure on my dress where I want to place the cape, and after getting this measurement, I proceeded to cutting my fabric. So what I measured here was 36 and the wideness was 8.5. I proceeded to cutting 38. I added 2 inches to the length. Then to the breast, I cut 11 instead of the 8.5 inch that I want. Then I cut two of this piece. One is going to be like the one facing the outside, and the other one will be the one facing the inside. The next thing to do after this is to start adding your interfacing. So to the one that will be inside, you are going to add thick gum stay, and to the one that will be outside, that everyone will be seeing from outside, you add this stay on it. So I proceeded to doing that. So to the one you'll be adding the stay on, you can add the stay twice, even 3 times. Like you can make it 2 layers of stay or 3 layers of stay. It depends on how structured you want it to be. So when I was done adding the gum stay to the one that is going to be inside, I brought it back to my dress so that I can crop it. If you check the style of this cape, you would see that it's not the same wideness. The front and the back is not the same wideness. The front is a little bit shorter than the back. So I placed it on my dress. I cropped it. Please, when you are cropping it, make sure that the gum stay is facing outside, because this is actually the way it will be placed on your dress. So I brought it back to my table. When I've gotten the exact measurement, I cropped it. I placed it on the other piece and I used it to trace it. Like I traced it out. I traced out that shape on the other piece. Now it's time to start sewing my Regiline boning on top of the one that I attached my thick gum stay to. So there's the way I'm going to face my boning. If you notice, you will see that the boning is cuffed, and because this cape will come out being cuffed like this, the way I'm trying to fold it now, you're just going to take your bone the way it's cuffed and sew it on top of it like this. Please don't turn your bone the other way so that your cape can come out perfect. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So don't do it this way, just leave it the way the bone is cuffed. Just follow it like that on your cape. So firstly, I'm going to be sewing up, and I'll be starting from 1.5 inch from the beginning, and on the side as well I'll start from 1.5 from 1 inch. Like I'll leave 1 inch allowance on the side before attaching my boning. So I'll sew my boning on both sides. This kind of boning you sew on the two sides, then towards the down as well I stopped at 1.5 inch. Then the second line is going to be on the other side. I'm not going to like follow the next line. I'll just start from the other side as well. So when I'm done fixing on both sides, I'll come back to fixing at the middle, like depending on how structured I want it to be, but up and down first before the middle. So when I was done attaching my boning, it came out looking like this. The next thing is to turn. I'll be facing the right side of the other piece which I attached my stay on. I'll be facing the right side to the right side of this one, and then I'm going to stitch. I'll leave one side open. This is the side where I'm going to be turning it out from. So you can see me turning it out here. After doing this, I'll press it. Please, when I'm pressing or when you are pressing, do not flat press. Like press it the way it is cuffed. So when I was done turning, it came out looking like this. The next thing to do is just to attach this on my dress, and while I'm attaching the other side that I didn't turn, I'm going to fold it inside and stitch it neatly at the back of my dress. And basically that is it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. When I was done fixing on my dress, it came out looking like this. So you can just fix on your dress whichever side you want to fix it, maybe left or right. I hope this video has been helpful. or interesting to someone. If it has been, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you've not subscribed, kindly do, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when next I upload new video on this channel. Thank you so much for sticking with me from the beginning of this tutorial to this point. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask me in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.